This is a body scan meditation. In this practice, we'll use the image of a flashlight to explore sensations of the body. If at any time the noticing of sensation creates feelings of unsteadiness or discomfort, you're invited to come out of the practice. You are always encouraged to take care and do what's best for you in the moment. To begin, make an intentional shift in your posture and find a comfortable seat. Sitting in a way that supports your intention to be present, in a way where you are alert yet comfortable. If it feels comfortable to close the eyes, you can do so. If it doesn't, you might just have a nice soft downward gaze, maybe gazing just past the end of your nose. Know that if you close your eyes and at any time it becomes uncomfortable or you notice sleepiness, you may open them. So we'll begin with a broad beam of our flashlight, taking in the entirety of the body, noticing all of these internal landscapes of experience, thoughts, emotions, sensations. Perhaps you notice the sensations of breathing, the expansion as you inhale, the release as you exhale. You might notice the contact between the body and a surface, the temperature of the air or sounds in the room. We're not seeking to create anything, to label, or to make judgments about anything that we notice. We're just establishing an awareness of what's here. Next, I invite you to gather your awareness and direct the beam of the flashlight to the feet, noticing what sensations are here to be noticed. The feet in contact with the floor, the touch of clothing or shoes, noticing physical sensations, or the lack of any discernible sensation. Notice this as well. There's no need to search for anything. We are simply noticing what's here at the feet. If the mind wanders, notice this as well and gently guide your attention back to the feet. On your next breath, you can let go of a tension resting at the feet and allow it to move to the legs, using the flashlight of your attention to explore what's here, the shins, the calves, the knees, the thighs. Again, noticing sensations, avoiding any temptation to label or judge, simply having an awareness of what is here. Noticing any sensing of pleasantness or unpleasantness, perhaps noticing again if the mind has wandered, gently bringing it back to the legs. On the next breath, you can let go of attention resting at the legs and allow it to move to the torso, scanning the torso with the flashlight of your attention, noticing the hips, the low belly, the back, the chest, Noticing any sensations here. Noticing internal sounds and sensations of perhaps digestion or hunger. Noticing the rise and fall of the chest as you breathe. Noticing pleasantness, unpleasantness, or neutrality. See if you can allow these sensations, whatever it is noticing, to simply be, not resisting or getting lost in a story, just noticing. And again, if the mind has wandered or followed a thought into a story, just gently guide it back to the torso. On your next breath, let go of attention resting at the torso and move the flashlight of your attention to the shoulders, the arms, the wrists, and the hands. Noticing what's here, sensations, lack of sensation. No need to create anything or go looking for anything. We're simply noticing the shoulders, the upper arms, the elbows, the forearms, the wrists, the hands, the fingers. On your next breath, let go of awareness and attention resting at the shoulders and arms and hands, and allow it to move to the neck and head. Noticing sensations here, the breath moving through the throat, in through the nasal passages, and then out again through the throat and out of the nasal passages. The rise and fall of the shoulders as you breathe. Sensations of swallowing. Noticing sensations inside the mouth, whether the teeth are touching or gently parted. And then noticing the features of the head, the facial features, the eyes, the nose, the lips, chin, the jaw. Noticing the ears, the scalp, the hair. Noticing your senses of hearing and smell, sounds coming in and contacting the ears, smells coming in, contacting the nose, temperature of the air surrounding you. And again, noticing if thoughts have carried your experience away into a story. Gently guiding it back to the neck and the head. And now we'll let go of the attention resting at the neck and head. Broaden the beam of the flashlight once again to take in the entirety of the body. Noticing all elements of our experience, all the thoughts, emotions, and sensations, not fixating or getting overly attached to one thing, just noticing what is here now, having this sense of the whole body breathing. When you are ready, you can open the eyes, lift your gaze, or you can stay here in this quiet, open place, exploring this internal landscape of experience.